Hey there, hope all is fine with you. Here we are at Product Chronicles, the podcast of Jaco, and I'm here in episode 3. We're going to talk about the product owner misconception number 3, which talks about the thing that we believe that product owners should focus only on execution, while product managers are focused on strategy. So this is part of a series of 3 episodes where I talk about the common misconceptions of the usage of the term product owner in this broader context of product management. In the first one, we discussed about the misconception of considering product owner as a step of the product management career ladder, which we now know it is not. The first step of the product management career ladder is the APM, the Associate Product Manager. The second misconception was around product managers managing product owners, which we know that are not the correct way to name these functions. What happens is group product managers, GPMs, are the one managing product managers. This is the correct nomenclature of those roles. And in this third one, we're going to talk about a very common misconception. Do product owners should focus only on execution, while product managers should focus on strategy? So I frequently encounter this issue when I'm helping my clients evolve their product culture, because in this type of structure, the team has a product manager who handles the more strategic aspects of the product, such as product vision, competitor analysis, market analysis. And at the same time, we have a product owner who is closer to the development team and more focused on execution, managing the backlog, writing user stories, and following up with the team's deliveries. In many organizations, the separation of execution and strategy may have originated as a practical response to resource allocation policies and siloed structures. However, the distinction can inadvertently create misaligned objectives, resulting in a very bad, very fragmented customer experience. To make this issue even more challenging, it's common to have a product manager, a PM, and a product owner with different objectives in this situation. While the PM is more focused on business objectives like revenue, number of users, churn, and so on, the product owner is focused on delivery and in user objectives like number of features delivered, number of bugs corrected, fixed, or user satisfaction. So this happens because of an issue that I described in an article that I'm gonna talk about here in a future episode, that business and product should be, but they are not normally considered, but they should be considered two sides of the same coin. And company leaders have the understanding that their product has two distinct aspects that need to be treated separately, which is not correct. So there is this business aspect. So everything related to the business side. So for instance, in a fintech company, the business aspect involves things like the bank account, credit score, credit card. So those are the financial product. In a streaming company, for instance, the business aspect concerns more of the portfolio of movies and series that they offer to their clients. In a real estate company, for instance, like Lopes, the biggest real estate company here in Brazil, that I led their digital transformation. And the business discuss inventory, buying price, selling price, commissions. In a corporate benefits company like WellHub, formerly Gympass, the business discussions revolve around the benefit availability, usage of the benefit, and revenue models. On the other side, the digital aspect is everything related to the digital product, like the app, the website, number of bugs, speed of delivery, user interfaces, user journeys, how we're going to use the data, how we're going to use AI in our product. So all those aspects. The problem with this approach that we separate one from the other, it's that for the customer, there is no such distinction. The customer consumes both of them as a unique product. For them, the product is a whole comprised of intertwined business and digital aspects. When you use Netflix, for instance, or any other streaming service, we consider the entire experience of browsing, searching, selecting, and watching content to be the product. When we use a digital bank, the bank account, the credit card, the investment options, and the app are all part of the product. For this reason, these two aspects should work closer together. It is possible that the same person can take care of both business and digital aspects. Having a single product manager responsible for both business and digital aspects not only simplifies decision making, but also ensures end to end accountability. This alignment allows teams to deliver cohesive product experience that resonate with customers who perceive the product as a unified whole. For instance, when I led the digital transformation at Lopes, the Brazil's biggest real estate company, some of my product managers and GPMs, group product managers, had previously worked on business aspects of real estate companies. When I was the CPO at Conta Azul, a very well-known Brazilian ERP for small businesses, some of my product managers were licensed accountants. They went to college and they were graduated as accountant. They were licensed accountants and had previously worked in accounting offices prior to become product managers in my team. In other situations, finding people capable of taking care of business and digital aspects may not be easy, not only because of the complexity of the topics, but also because of the amount of work. So, for instance, imagine the amount of work required to build the inventory of series and movies in a streaming company, deciding on content to license or to produce, or in a fintech, where the decisions about credit risk will directly impact the company's bottom line, or in EdTech, where the academic content is crucial for the product's success. In these situations, I recommend renaming the product owner to product manager and the product manager to a role that I've been calling business manager or BM, to make it clear that this person takes care of the business aspects of the product. Note that when we have the separated roles of the product manager and the business manager, or PM and BM, they must collaborate intensely in order to build the best product. For this reason, they are both responsible for product vision, product strategy, competitor analysis, market analysis, problem discovery, solution discovery, product delivery. So in order to guarantee and reinforce this collaboration, we need them to have the same set of objectives. This is super important. In my classes about team structure, I use an image to illustrate the importance of a team having a common set of objectives. Imagine a rowing team with each person rowing in one direction. The boat will not move at all, or if it moves, it will certainly move erratically. For the boat to get somewhere, everybody needs to row in the same direction. Everyone in the boat must have the same objective. That's how we make a group of people behave as a team, giving them the same set of objectives. Establishing a clear shared objective is essential for the PMBM, the product manager plus business manager collaboration to succeed. Techniques such as joint OKRs, cross-functional alignment workshops, or recurring strategy syncs can help ensure that both roles move in the same direction, as we need in a rowing team in order to go somewhere. So, in conclusion, there we have it. We have the third misconception is that the product owner should focus on execution while product managers should focus on strategy. We learned that is not the case. This misconception arises from the complexities of the business aspects of certain types of business. Due to this complexity, we may mistakenly think it's better to separate the responsibilities and objectives related to the business from the digital aspects of the product. The issue with this mindset of product owner executes and product manager thinks about strategy is that it creates a fragmented customer experience. However, customers, they see our product holistically. They see as a product, our product as a whole, and not as a separate business and digital components. So to solve this, we have two options that depend on the company's type of business. We can either have one PM taking care of both the business and digital aspects of the product, or we can have two people, a PM, a product manager, taking care of the digital aspects, and a business manager, a BM, taking care of the business aspects. If we decide to have two people, we must be careful when setting objectives to guarantee that the product manager and business manager work as a team and move in the same direction. We must define a shared set of objectives. This misconception reveals the importance of aligning roles to deliver unified product experiences. Whether your organization opts for a unified PM, a unified product manager role, or the product manager plus business manager, the PM and BM collaboration, the key is ensuring that objectives are clearly defined and aligned. By addressing these challenges, we can set the stage for a product practice that consistently delivers value to the customers and the business. That's what we do, right? In product management, what we do is we solve a problem of our client through technology while generating business results. So with this episode, we conclude the series of episodes on the misconceptions of using the product owner in the broader context of product management, and I hope to see you soon here in the next episode of Product Chronicles. Bye.